Hey, what's up, Gems? I just finished my very first month with FTMO's funded account, and let me tell you, it went fantastic. So the very first month, I actually was able to take the account from $100,000, and I went all the way up to $127,000. Because I was able to do this, I am actually able to keep $18,900 of that amount, which is basically 70% from the full amount you get to actually keep and take home. And this amount is absolutely fantastic because if you multiply that by 12, that's your yearly salary or projected yearly salary, and that's over $200,000. So essentially, if I continue to keep up this current rate, then I'll make a total of $200,000. I haven't uploaded in a while, and the main reasons why is because, first of all, I've been trading this account, as you can see, very, very serious on that note. And then also, I've been working a lot on the course. So I've been creating a course that helps you go from having your own account to I teach you my strategies that I use to pass the account, to pass the verification, and to get the $27,000 on the very first month. I teach you that strategy as well as the best ways to actually receive the funding from FTMO on the academy. So I will have another video tomorrow or whenever they decide to have the payout with a proof of payout and all that. All that will be very, very soon. And with that being said, just look forward to that. Be sure to subscribe and so you don't miss it. And I'll see you in the next video.